We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
Business in Pennsylvania.
And business in Pennsylvania is our business.
Speaking of emergency weather situations, boy, was it cold last week.
It was very cold last week.
My goodness. And,
yeah, I spent a little bit of time
have you ever heard the words polar vortex before
no,
last
boy,
week?
Everybody's making fun of that now, too.
Yeah, absolutely. But
the weather services and everybody are trying to come up with names for everything. I mean,
yeah, they're naming winter storms. That doesn't make any sense to me. But
it's all advertising.
There is a form of a state of emergency that you put into effect regarding gas and oil deliveries and allowing trucks
we did that, and you know, some people, a lot of the media were asking, are you going to declare a state of emergency as they did in New York State? No, we didn't, because New York State really declared it because in 13 counties in the West, because they were getting slammed.
They got 3 or 4 feet of snow.
That's
in
exactly
some areas,
right.
Yeah.
This was just cold. But it got to a point that we had to declare a very specialized state in order for trucks who were delivering oil and so forth to be able to drive under extended hours so that they weren't in violation of PennDOT and Department of Transportation rules.
Because they limit the amount of hours they can drive
right.
for obvious reasons. You don't want tired truck drivers out there.
That's
but
exactly right.
When people are out of oil and it's a situation like last week, that's life-threatening.
That's life-threatening.
Absolutely.